Prepare to be astounded as we unveil the top 5 most expensive yachts in the world, floating masterpieces of luxury and opulence that only a select few can dream of owning. At number 5, we have the magnificent A yacht, designed by Philippe Starck, and known for its unique shape and cutting-edge technology. Next up at number 4 is the impressive Eclipse, owned by Russian tycoon Roman Abramovich, equipped with state-of-the-art security features and a breathtaking design. Claiming the third spot is the stunning Dubai yacht, featuring lavish amenities including a swimming pool, helipad, and even a fleet of smaller boats. In the runner-up position, we present the breathtaking Azam, renowned for being the largest private yacht in the world, boasting unmatched speed and elegance. Finally, at the pinnacle of luxury, we reveal the extraordinary History Supreme, adorned with gold and platinum and rumored to have cost a staggering $4.5 billion. To wrap up our journey through the world of extravagant yachts, which one do you dream of cruising on? Don't forget to like, subscribe,